Today, we delve into the intriguing story of the annual elephant congregation at Minaraya National Park in Sri Lanka. Every year, as the dry season takes hold, hundreds of elephants embark on a journey towards the Minaraya Reservoir. This fascinating migration is no random occurrence, but a well-coordinated effort that has survived centuries. The elephants leave their usual territories in search of water and food, and what begins as a quest for survival turns into a grand reunion of the gentle giants. From infants, adolescents, to the majestic matriarchs, all come together in this annual gathering, known as The Gathering. It's a spectacle of socialization, where bonds are strengthened, lessons are passed down, and survival tactics are shared. Imagine the sight of hundreds of elephants, their imposing figures painted against the backdrop of the setting sun, their trumpets echoing in the wilderness. They splash in the water, dust themselves with soil, and feast on the lush grass around the reservoir. The gathering is not just a meeting, it's an event that underscores the importance of unity, cooperation, and shared knowledge in the animal kingdom. The gathering at Minaraya National Park serves as more than just a spectacle for human observers. It's a testament to the intelligence and social nature of elephants, highlighting their ability to coordinate and cooperate for the greater good. To summarize, animal meetings are a captivating display of nature's complexity and wonder. They demonstrate the importance of social bonds and the ability of animals to adapt and survive in changing environments. Whether it's the massive elephant gathering at Minaraya or the synchronized dance of a school of fish, each meeting has a purpose, a story, and a lesson for us all. From the smallest ant to the largest elephant, animals understand the strength in numbers and the power of cooperation. As we explore the intriguing world of animal meetings, we come to realize that these gatherings are not just about survival, but about unity, learning, and the continuation of species. So next time you see a flock of birds painting patterns in the sky, or a parade of elephants marching towards a waterhole, remember, there's more to these meetings than meets the eye. There's a story, a purpose, and a fascinating glimpse into the animal kingdom's social dynamics.